you know? Your rights during a police stop with law references. 1. The right to remain silent, Miranda rights. Law reference, Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1966. This Supreme Court decision requires that police inform suspects of their rights, including the right to remain silent. Application: you can invoke this right at any time by stating, "I choose to remain silent." 2. Searches and seizures, Fourth Amendment. Law reference, U.S. Constitution, Amendment 4. This amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. Refusing searches: you can refuse a search by saying, "I do not consent to a search unless there is a warrant or certain emergency circumstances." 3. The right to record police encounters. Legal basis: this right is generally protected under the First Amendment, freedom of speech and expression, though specific laws can vary by state. Recording guidelines: maintain a safe distance and do not interfere with police activities. Inform the officer you are recording if necessary. 4. Detainment versus arrest. Understanding your status: there is no specific law citation for this, but it's based on standard police procedure and the Fourth Amendment. Clarifying with the officer, ask, "Am I being detained or am I free to go?" to understand if you're legally required to stay. 5. Dealing with arrest warrants. Law reference, U.S. Constitution, Amendment 4. The warrant must be issued based on probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Validating a warrant: if presented with a warrant, check for your name, address, and a judge's signature to ensure its validity. Conclusion: these laws and rights are there to protect you. Knowing them can help you navigate police encounters more confidently and safely. Disclaimer: remember, laws can be complex and may vary slightly depending on state-specific legislation, so it's always a good idea to consult with a legal professional for detailed advice and interpretation.